How would you like to learn web development from a pro in a personalized one-on-one Zoom meeting session? Well, you're in luck. I'm Gustavo Amezcua and I'm here to offer you exactly that. Imagine having a personal web development mentor ready to guide you through the exciting world of coding. That's what I'm offering, a chance to learn, ask questions, and build amazing websites, all from the comfort of your own home. With over 7 years of experience in the field, I've got a whole toolkit of skills to share with you. Let me give you a sneak peek of what we could explore in our Zoom meeting sessions. HTML5 and CSS3 will craft beautiful, responsive layouts together. And I'll include also Bootstrap in that particular topic. JavaScript and ReactJS add interactivity and bring your sites to life. WordPress wizardry, from custom themes to e-commerce with WooCommerce. SEO strategies. Learn how to boost your site's visibility and drive more traffic to your web pages. Full stack skills. We can even dive into PHP, MySQL, and Node.js. Whether you're dreaming of building sleek corporate sites, fun e-commerce stores, or anything in between, our Zoom sessions will be tailored to your goals and pace. Ready to start your web development journey? Booking your personalized Zoom meeting session with me is super easy. Just click the link in my bio, the link in the description of this video, or go to the link on your screen. Don't miss this chance to learn, grow, and create. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to level up your skills, I'm excited to meet you in our Zoom session and help you achieve your web development dreams. Book now and let's start building some internet magic together.